Guys, this is Maurice Tech. Welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be setting up WireTun VPN. So don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friend. So the first step, as usual, we first download our application or our VPN from the Google Play Store. Like I search WireTun VPN. If you search it in Google Play Store, you download it. Make sure you have a running data bundle to download this VPN until an open tablet appears. And if that tablet appears, make sure to click it and open your application and wait for it. Initially, it will first require internet access and authenticate to fetch all servers until the server option appears that servers are done to be fetched. So guys, don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop your suggestion down there in the comment section. So I'm going to go right here in the top left corner where we have those three dashes. Hope you are seeing them. Then I check. Then I will be seeing the logs like those, like that. Don't worry about the adverts. Don't worry about those adverts. Wait for that advert to complete. It will take like a few seconds, like 4 minutes, and you click that button which has a cross right there. So make sure the logo verb is set to 4 and the timestamp is set to maybe we set it to none. No, right now let us go back right here and then click the statistics so I can be showing you the statistics. Don't worry about the adverts. The adverts are there just for those VPN application owners to get some rewards. So after that, I'm going to go back home. Then I'll go where we have the server list, this one down. Then I check and I'll be able to choose any of these servers. Let me choose any optimized server. I recommend all my subscribers to use any optimized server, and then after that we are visiting this button not connected and we tap it. We accept the VPN service and then the VPN will be connected successfully. So I can click here to add more time and I watch an AD so that more time can be added. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to your friend. For me, I sign out. I won't wait for those ADs.